Hello everybody, and this is a video outside of my garden, if you cannot see. And look, ducklings, ducks. I have ducks. I'm not going to use... Right, I need to find the chicken. There's a chicken, right there. There's one. Hey. My. Buck, the geck. So, how do you feel right now? Good? Right. Yeah? Cool. Go and see some more. Some more. Here we are. Some more. So, how are you doing? Good? There's a chicken in the greenhouse. He's in the greenhouse. Yeah, you're right, Gary. This is Gary. Here. There's Odie over there that I can't get close to because he's a monster. He will bite you and peck you all day. And this is Tiny. He's very scruffy. He likes being scruffy. He was very small as a chick, but he turned out to be bigger than all the other ones. And look, here's the shy one over there. Very white. As soon as I get close to him, he's gonna run. Yeah, he's running. He's gone. Oh, we got an Odie. We got an attacker. Shit. That hurt. Hey, it's not very nice, you know. Oh no. Oh no. It's not very nice. Trampoline. There he is. He's underneath the trampoline. See if we can get close. He's had a mud bath. Oh no. Oh no. Terrence, run! That's Terrence there. That's Odie! Yeah, that's Odie. Little shit. Yeah, look. There's another shy one on top of the sandbox. My brother's sandbox. He likes that box of sand, which he likes, that he knows it's not his. This way. The dark depths of my garden. The pond. No frogs born this year. If you didn't know, I live in England. That is why it's very wet today. And we're going to buy some eggs. I'm going to do a step-by-step video of how to hatch eggs of chickens and ducks. Get a nice view of my house. Over there, it's my house. I am climbing on my shed at the moment, if you didn't know. I'm climbing on my shed. Oh shit. I can't get down! Oh, okay. That's inside this door. It's where I keep my my monsters. No, it's actually where I keep my motorbikes and quad bikes when we go quadding sometimes. We were planning to go quadding today, and I was going to bring it with me to video that, but I guess we didn't really get time to. But look, it's Terrence again. Terrence, right? Let's get a video of Bertie. Bertie is our. He doesn't like other chickens except for his own type of chicken. Where is he? There he is. Down there. Get Oh wait, you're supposed to be in there. Stay in there. Oh no. Oh no. I have to run. Bye guys, bye.